So this is what the 2013 Acura ZDX looks like right now. It's turning out pretty good, not bad. So today we're replacing that. I'm gonna try to remove it without taking off the bumper, but we'll see. We'll see if there's enough space. All right, so in the service manual, it says you have to remove the fog light, remove screws from the back, and then what we replaced was this trim right here. So you need to remove this and the trim from it. So they recommend removing it off of the vehicle, out of the bumper, but I was able to just pop it out without removing the bumper. The only reason I did that was mine was already broken. So if you're trying to save this and yours is still in good condition, then you should probably go through the process of removing the bumper, removing the fog light, and then taking that trim out. Got a couple OEM parts. New trim. Let's see what this thing looks like. So we want to see what it looks like, how it clips on in the back. Okay, so all it is a whole bunch of clips. There is no screws at all. All right, so that looks pretty easy. So we got most of this off already. Let's keep working around. Let's just keep pulling this off. All right. So a lot of the clips broke. Pulling this off. But it was already all snapped. The previous owner said they got hit while they were in a parking lot. So there's more of the plastic piece. So all these slots need to be clear without anything in it. It snapped off all these little pins. There we go. Alright, so just make sure all the pins are all out of there where they need to line up. Looks good. Now we grab our new trim, line it up, and I'm making sure everything is really lined up. I don't want any of the pins to snap. Everything lined up perfect. Good.